Raptor instructions are special AI directions used to parse, transform, and perform calculations on various fields on the transcript for a specific school or organization. They tell Raptor how to handle the courses on the transcript. In this example, transcripts for a particular school contain asterisks and extra characters in the subject codes, and you want to create an instruction to remove them. To add an instruction, go to the Management area of Raptor and select Raptor Instructions. If this area is not available, contact Smart Panda support. Select Add Instruction. Type in the name of the school or organization the instruction is for, and type the instruction into the text area. You can only create one Raptor instruction per school/organization, but the character limit on these instructions is 4,000 characters. As long as the directions are clear, coherent, use precise language, and use examples to give the AI enough information, you can add as many individual directions to this instruction as you wish. You can also add a human instruction that will display for users as well, along with a screenshot. The AI instruction does not look at the screenshot. Be sure the screenshot does not contain student identifiable information. Select Create after you are done typing your instruction. To test an instruction, go to the Raptor area and upload an applicable sample transcript. You'll need to select the school or organization that matches the school or organization you created the instruction for in the equivalency school area. If you do not have this equivalency school area, let Smart Panda support know and we'll get you access. If you selected the matching equivalency school for the instruction, it should now be visible above the course grid. You can double-check the text of the instruction here. If you also added a human instruction, it should display here as well. Now process the transcript. The instruction should now be applied, and you can check its accuracy afterwards. Please note that the more sophisticated the instruction is, the more likely you are to see inaccuracies, and we recommend a quick visual check to confirm the instruction has run correctly before pushing. Some more complex instructions may need additional Raptor support, so don't hesitate to contact Raptor support if your instruction isn't working properly. Once the instruction is working as intended, it will automatically process in the next batch of transcripts from that school or organization. Important note, Raptor instructions are not a substitute for your transfer equivalency rules, and it isn't recommended to use them to make decisions that your SIS should be. Contact Smart Panda support if you have questions or need guidance.